Good morning, children. Now today we are going to start 2.4 exercise. First question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. I repeat again. Amina thinks of a number. So thinking of a number. We don't know that number. And subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Okay. So let the number be. We don't know the number. So let the number be x. Then what she is doing? And subtract 5 by 2. X minus 5 by 2, because 5 by 2 she is subtracting from x. Okay, then after that she multiplies the result by 8. This answer she is multiplying by 8. Okay, then the result now obtained is 3 times the same number. The result now obtained is equal to what? 3 times the number, so 3 into x. So this is our equation which is formed. Now solve the equation. 8 into x, 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. Cancel it, you get 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. Just bring the variable term to the left hand side. You get 8x minus 3x is equal to 20, that is 5x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 by 5, that is x is equal to 4. So the number which she thought is 4. So this is your first question. Now going to the third question. Third question is something which is very important and to be understood. So let us see third question of this. Now what is the question? Let me read. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Okay. Now first you need to understand. Think of any 2-digit number. So let the 2-digit number be your 23. Now how do you write this 23? In lower classes you have studied how to write it in expanded form. So you write it as 20 plus 3. Tens digit you are writing 20 and then this is 3. Ones digit. This is ones digit and this is tens digit. So 20 plus 3. That is you write it as 2 into 10 plus 3. Okay. Yes. So now this is tens digit. Tens digit into 10 plus ones digit. Okay, so 23 can be written as, or any of the number, 2-digit number can be written as tens digit into 10 plus ones digit. This is the formula of writing any 2-digit number. Remember this. Remember this very carefully. This we will be using further in our question. This is to be understood. Now, what is the question? The sum of the 2-digit number is 9. So, you don't know ones digit and tens digit. You neither know ones digit nor know tens digit. So, let the ones digit be x. Let the ones digit be x. That is, in place of 3 you are taking it as x. Then, in place of 3 you are taking it as x. And then what it is said? The sum of the 2 digits is 9. So, the tens digit will be, tens digit is equal to 9 minus x. Because sum of these two is just like it is, sum of these two is 5. So, your tens digit will be 5 minus 3. Similarly, your tens digit there is 9 minus x. This way you are getting your digits. Now, after that, if you one of the 2 digits of 2-digit number is, the question is another. The sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Okay. Now, when we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number. Now, we have got the ones digit, we have got the tens digit, but we don't know the number. Therefore, original number is equal to, I told you the formula, tens digit into 10 plus ones digit. So, what is your tens digit? Your tens digit is 9 minus x. So, 9 minus x into 10 plus ones digit is your x. So, this is your original number. Now, just expand it. You get it as 90 minus 10x plus x. That is, you get 90 minus 9x. This is your original number. Now, what is said? After interchanging the digit. So, after interchanging After interchanging the digits, what you have? Ones digit will become, interchanging means ones digit will become tens and tens will become ones. Just like 23, it will become 32. Ones is becoming here and tens is going here. So it is this. Interchanging the digit means. So ones digit will become your, what was tens? 9 minus x. So ones will become your 9 minus x now. And tens will become your x, which was your ones digit previous. Now the new number is equal to your same formula, tens digit into, so 10x plus 9 minus x. So you have it as 9x plus 9. This is your new number. Now what is said for the relation? See here. It is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number. Means new number is greater. So new number is equal to what? Greater than the original number by 27. Greater number. So by condition, therefore, you can write your equation as new number is equal to original number plus 27. So now put that your equation, new number is 9x plus 9 is equal to 90 minus 9x, which was your original number, plus 27. Now solve this equation. You have it as 9x. Here you get 9x again from this side, and here 90 plus 27 minus 9. Okay, so you get here 18x is equal to, this is 18 plus 90, 108. So you get x is equal to 108 divided by 18. How much? It is 6. Sure. 6. Yes. It is 6. Now x is equal to 6 you got. X is equal to 6. It means that your ones digit is 6. And tens digit, again I love here. Then write your ones digit is now 6 and tens digit is 9 minus 6, that is 3. Therefore your original number is equal to 36. Tens is 3 and ones is 6. So you get your original number is 36. This is your answer. Okay. So this is what is in the third question. Again I repeat, sum of the digits of two digit number is 9. We took our ones digit as x, and tens digit as we took it as 9 minus x. So your original number you got tens digit into 10 plus ones digit. You just substitute the values of tens digit and ones digit and just solve it. Then interchanging, put ones in the tens place and tens in the ones place, and then again solve it on the basis of this formula, and then your equation is new number is equal to original number plus 27. Solve that equation, you will get the answer. Now the next question, that is question number 5. Shubhu's mother's present age is 6 times Shubhu's present age. Okay. Again the age question. We have lot of age question, children. Remember this. And age questions are very, very important. You need to understand it properly. So Shubhu's mother's present age is 6 times Shubhu's present age. What is given? Mother's age and Shubhu's age. Shubhu's mother's age is related to Shubhu's age. So Shubhu's age, you take it as x. Let Shubhu's age is equal to x years. Then Shubhu's mother's age, sorry, here I should write present because present is important. Shubhu's present age is equal to x. Then Shubhu's mother's present age is equal to, here what is given in the relation? See here, 6 times Shubhu's percentage. So 6x. Got it? Now, what is given? Shubhu's age 5 years from now. Shubhu's age 5 years from now means after 5 years Shubhu's age. After 5 years, Shubhu's age is how much? I told you, when it is after, it should be added, and when it is ago, it should be minus. So it is after, so you will be adding x plus 5. Then, what is said here? Shubhu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's percentage. See the relation here. Shubhu's age 5 years from now. It means this age is equal to x plus 5 will be equal to 1/3 of his 1/3 of what? Of mother's percentage. What is mother's percentage? 6x. So you can directly write here 6x. Got it? Now this is your equation. Now solve this equation. 3, you get 2x. So you get here x plus 5 is equal to 2x. It means now you bring this here. You just bring it here in this way. If you are confused while solving the equation, bring the variables totally here. So 2x minus x is equal to 5. That is x is equal to 5. Now then after that, you can find what are their percentages. Therefore, percentage. Shubhu's percentage age is equal to 5 years, and Shubhu's mother's percentage is equal to 5 into 6, because it is 6x. So 6 into 5, that is 30 years. Got it? Now this is your fifth question. More questions we will see in the next class. So for today is enough.